In this ShotCut tutorial I will show you how to add a freeze frame to video clips. I've assumed you have a basic understanding of editing in ShotCut. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. I've brought this clip into the timeline, track 1. Now, the easiest way to create a freeze frame in a video clip is actually to create an image. So all I'm going to do is just drag this timeline marker along to the point where I want to take the freeze frame. And the usual problem with ShotCut is lag, so just take your time till you get to a point you want to freeze your video. Now make sure that you don't move the marker, and if you come up to File and left click on this, and then you've got something called Export Frame. You can also use the shortcut which is Control-Shift-E, but I'm going to just use this here. So you want to left click on Export Frame and navigate to the folder where you want to save your image to. So I'm going to use my desktop for ease and give it a name. So I'm just going to call it FF. You can call it what you want. Options, I would leave it as a PNG, but you have got other options here. So if you were, say, if you wanted to use the image for something else, you may want to choose a JPEG, but for video, PNG is fine. And just go ahead and save the image. Bring the image back into your playlists, and this is where you want to make sure you haven't moved your marker. To split a video clip at the marker, you just simply press S and that will split the clip. I'm going to just drag this over to the right, and I'm going to bring the image in and snap it up to the marker and drag the image or this clip in here. Now you'll probably find that this is going to be too long. I think they're about 4 seconds, so just play your video just to see it's working, get some idea of the time you want. I'm going to reduce this down to about 2 seconds, something like that. You can sort of have a look at the time if you want by go with it selected, just looking at the properties. So I've actually got that down at 1 second. You get the idea. You can change the duration, so I'm going to leave it set at this. Drag this clip up so it matches. Yeah, that should do. Very quick tutorial this, and there you go. Now all you do is just go ahead and export your video. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.